I'm Samuel Durujaie from Sierra Leone. My health condition was becoming a problem.
My husband started to encounter this health challenge 1 year ago, in which we visited our local hospital in Sierra Leone, and he was diagnosed of heart issue. They tried to manage it to some point. Upon our arrival in India, Anuradha brought us to Dr. Ramji.
We investigated him at length. His coronary angiogram revealed no blockages in his coronary arteries, and his valve looked like it had torn apparatus and it was leaking very severely. So we offered him a high-risk surgery.
So he advised we do an immediate surgery to end this situation for me.
He underwent mitral valve replacement. We ligated his left atrial appendage also. He has recovered so well.
I'm healed, strong and hearty. I see life to be normal again. I want to thank Dr. Ramji. I want to thank the BLK-Max Hospital.